Hi, preschool friends. I really miss you guys. Today we are going to do a activity with patterns. Now, we have not learned about patterns yet in our classroom, but if you went to Mrs. Miller's class last year, I know you guys did some activities with patterns. So what I want to do is take a little quick second here for you to tell the person that you're working with, maybe you're working with your mom or your dad or your sibling, whoever you're working with, tell them something about patterns. Okay, so a pattern repeats over and over again. It does the same thing over and over and over again. So if I was using colors, maybe I want to use red and black, like for Johnson Brock. And I'm going to make a Johnson Brock pattern with red and black. So first I'm going to start with red, and then I'm going to do black. So it goes red, black, red, black, red, black, red, black. And it just keeps going over and over again because it repeats itself. So that is a pattern. So what we're going to do today is I have some pictures of some tree items, and I'm going to try to make some patterns, and you are going to be like the teacher. And you're going to tell your person that you're working with if I made a pattern or if I didn't make a pattern. So first, I think I'm going to use the green leaf and then the stick. The green leaf and then the stick. The green leaf and then the stick. So look at that and see what you think. Do you think this is a pattern or not? It goes green leaf, stick, green leaf, stick, green leaf, stick. Do you think that's a pattern? So if you said yes, you are right. This is a pattern because it's doing the same thing over and over again. Green leaf, stick, green leaf, stick, green leaf, stick. What do you think would come next? If you said green leaf, you are right. There we go. Okay, so let's try another one. See if I can make another pattern. I'll get these out of the way here. Okay, what if I did bark, brown leaf, evergreen tree, another evergreen tree, apple, walnuts, and a pine cone. Tell your person that you're working with, is this a pattern? What do you think? So if you said, no, this isn't a pattern, you're right. Because I just kind of put some pictures up there. I wasn't going in an order. They aren't repeating. I just have some pictures. I did bark, brown leaf, evergreen, apple, walnut, pine cone. It's not a pattern. Okay, let's see if I can do better this time. Okay, get these all deleted here. What if I did apple, apple, oh, trying to get these in line here. Apple, apple, and then acorn. Apple, apple, acorn. Apple, apple, acorn. Kind of running out of room there. What do you think about this one? Tell your person that you're working with, do you think this is a pattern? So this is a pattern. So if you said yes, you are right. Now sometimes we call these tricky patterns because usually in preschool we kind of like to stick with two things like I did before, how I did green leaf, stick, green leaf, stick. This time I used two things, but I kind of made the apple in there twice. So I went apple, apple, acorn. Apple, apple, acorn. Apple, apple, acorn, but it's still repeating, so that makes it a pattern. Do you know what would come after this acorn if I had more room? If you said apple, you're right. I'd put an apple, and then an apple, and then another acorn. Okay, you guys are doing good with this. Awesome. Let's see about doing another one. Okay, what if I did deciduous tree, brownleaf, and bark? Deciduous tree, brownleaf, bark. Deciduous tree, brownleaf, and bark. Talk with your person that you're working with. Did I make a pattern? So if you said yes, you are right, because it does repeat. Deciduous, brownleaf, bark. Deciduous, brownleaf, bark. Deciduous, brownleaf, bark. It's always going in the same order. So that is a pattern. Okay, let me try another one. Takes me a second to get all these pictures deleted. Okay, what if I did pine cone, green leaf, stick, 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 evergreen, apple, green leaf, pine cone? Talk with your person that you're working with. Is this a pattern? So if you said no, this is not a pattern, then you are right. I was just putting pictures up there. They do not go in an order, do they? No, they do not. So now what I want you to do is I want you to make a couple patterns with the person that you're working with. So you can just point to the pictures that you'd use, or you could tell them which pictures you would use if you'd like to make a tree pattern. Just remember, it needs to go over and over and over again. If it's kind of hard for you to remember your pattern, since you guys can't actually pull these pictures up, you could find something at home to use. Like maybe you could use some money. So maybe you could use the pennies and the nickels and the dimes and the quarters to make a pattern with. Or you could get your crayons out and color a pattern. But try to make a pattern with the person that you're working with. And you can even do like what I did, where they can try to be the teacher. You can make some good patterns, but maybe try to trick them and maybe make some that aren't patterns. But just have fun with it, because patterns are fun. Good job, preschool friends.